In this video, we're going to filter a pivot table by adding a slicer to the pivot table. Here you can see that we have a pivot table, and I would like to use a slicer or two slicers to filter the pivot table. The pivot table is set up to show sales by salesperson and by month. Let's add a slicer for the salesperson and a slicer for the date or the month. To start with, I'm going to click anywhere in my pivot table, and then I'll go to Pivot Table Tools and click Analyze. You'll notice that we have an Insert Slicer button, so I'll click that. Let's choose the date and the rep name, and then I'll say OK. And this will actually produce two slicers for me. Here's a slicer for the rep name and a slicer for the date. If I choose a rep, you'll notice that that rep is retained. Here's Larry Jones, and the other one disappears. If I clear the filter, all the reps are shown again. I can do the same with the dates. Notice that some of these dates are grayed out because I only have data for January, February, and March so far.